Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Bosch washer is showing you the F8 or F-08 error code, this usually means that there is a problem with the water heating system or heating circuit. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix it step by step. So before focusing on the heating components, just make sure that the washer is receiving enough water. So you need to simply check for the low water pressure, partially closed inlet valve or kinked supply hoses. The insufficient water flow can disrupt the heating cycle and then it can trigger the E8 error code. Now after doing this, you just have to simply select a hot wash cycle and then you need to monitor the performance. Now if the washer fills but water remains cold, this confirms that the heating system is likely failing here. So at this stage, this issue is less likely relating to water supply and more likely tied to the internal heating components. Now, the heating element is one of the most common E8 causes. So a failed heater may show signs such as cold wash cycle or incomplete cleaning. So testing or replacing the heating element may be necessary if it is damaged. Now, Bosch washers rely on the temperature sensors to monitor the water heat levels. So if the sensor sends the inaccurate readings, the control board may shut down and trigger the F8 error. So in order to fix it, you just have to first of all inspect for loose wiring or damaged sensor housing or any kind of faulty resistant readings. So replacing a failed sensor often restores proper heating control. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.